Hey, so let's do the combination stuff. So instead of drawing a target at just these fixed locations, we have to remember that this is being done over and over and over 60 times a second. And we have this draw target method. So instead of sending just like a static number, we can pass in a variable. So draw target. Let's say we want to draw the target at the mouse X, and this time at 200y and a size of 100 by 100. So can you predict what this is going to do? Draw a target. Why is that angry? Oh, I'm sorry, only three parameters because we only have a size, not a width. My mistake. All right, and so if we draw this, uh, or if we run this program now, the target will be drawn at wherever the mouse is. That's kind of cool. All right. So what if we wanted to just track the mouse entirely though? So let's do mouse Y instead of, so this is going to be the mouse's center X and the mouse's center Y become the target center X and Y at 60 frames a second. So here a target will just kind of track the mouse wherever it goes. Cool. All right, how about let's do something different. The next example that is discussed in the text tutorial. Oh, what if you wanted to, I'm sorry, one last thing. So if we wanted to only have one target on the screen instead of kind of draw with the targets, we could every frame just set the background to black or whatever color you like. And so now only one target will appear and the mouse will be kind of hovering with it. It'll hover around the mouse or whatever. It tracks the mouse. That's cool. And let's do the other one that they have there where we produce random targets. So we're going to use the random function again. And again, this has like a corollary in full Java that I'll teach you. It's that math.random function if we haven't talked about it yet. It's just more complicated, frankly, than necessary at the beginning time. So instead, let's just use random x coordinate from, we want it within the range of 0 to the width of the screen. And our mouse, or our y coordinate should be, let's do a random from 0 to the height of the screen. And for the size, let's do a random number between 10 pixels and 1,000 pixels wide. Who knows? I don't know what that's going to do. And then we have to do one more parenthesis at the end there to close off the outer parentheses. And now if we run this program, it's going to produce like a barrage of targets. All right, the 1,000 one kind of screws things up. So let's do it from 0 to 100. And you can maybe see more of what's happening. Now it'll look more similar to the drawing in the text document. So that's very cool. We're going to start to use this in combination with other things to produce sort of simple 2D games, and who knows, maybe even 3D games if we get really into it.